Well, hello my joyful subbies, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you 2 DIYs that you can recreate and sell on Etsy for extra income. These DIYs are so simple, the cost to make them is less than $3.75, and the amount that you can sell them for will be up to you. So if you want to see what I've come up with, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in our first DIY, I am going to take this wood piece that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and give it a good coat of this Rust-Oleum brand chalk paint in the color linen white. And while I'm doing that, I just want to go ahead and welcome everybody back to my channel. I pray that you all are doing well. I'm feeling so much better. Thank you all for your thoughts and prayers while I was recuperating. I did have to take some time off just to do just that. And I thank God that I listened to my body and now I'm feeling better. Thank you, God, for healing you, girl. Now, as you can see, I am taking this willow wreath. This is one of the smaller wreaths. I call it that, guys. It may be something else. But the heart-shaped wreath, and I am just brushing over it using that white chalk paint. And now I'm taking some of that lacquer paint by Waverly. It is a chalk paint that you can find at the Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, at Walmart. And I am just dry brushing over the raised edges of the heart, as well as the word love, the letters L-O-V-E, as I will be embellishing this piece with both. So as you can see, I am taking the wreath and I am just adding hot glue to it. This is the high temp glue gun, so make sure that you be careful when you're using it because you can get burned severely. And I am now just doing placement to see if these letters are going to actually fit, and they do. And while I like this, you will see me later change this out and give this piece a totally different look. Now, you do not have to do this. It's just something that I did. And as you can see, I was trying to fit this jute twine to the top of this, but the letters were too far up. So I removed them, and as I was removing them, I had a different idea to come to my head, and you'll see that come up in the next clip. And here's where I removed the letters. And you guys know, once Joy thinks of something, she's going to switch it up if it comes in her head. I always say it's in my head, I gotta get it out. I would sing the song that I made up with just using those words. It's in my head, I gotta get it out. But you know, y'all ain't ready for that. Y'all, look, y'all ain't. You are not ready for that. And as you can see, I am taking some of that lacquer paint and I am just going to round the heart using it. I am applying a healthy coat of this paint, and then you will see me dry brush the white on top of it because the red was just sticking out like a sore thumb and I didn't like it. And now I am wrapping the jute twine around the top. I created a bow, and I will be adding a bow to the center of this piece. And you will see this piece in the reveal, guys, so don't worry. And now I am getting ready to place the letters back on this piece, but then I noticed that the letters were getting lost to the piece overall. So I decided to paint the letters in the color white so that they will stand out better. And I'm glad that I did. So now you can see it. And now I'm just using my heating tool whenever it decides to work to dry the paint. And now I'm just adding the letters back on there. And you can kind of see where I didn't go over far enough with the L, but nevertheless, don't do that if you plan on reselling this on Etsy, because I can tell you, somebody may complain. In our DIY number 2, I am going to create a succulent plant holder, and I am just going to use the pink succulent that I used during the month of October when I made the Joyful doll, pumpkin doll, and all the pink decor. And as you can see, I am taking that chalk paint again, the linen white chalk paint by Rust-Oleum, and applying it to this entire piece. And when I say these projects are inexpensive, I was not lying to you. And feel free to make this your own. Again, this is just inspiration and giving you some ideas that you can recreate these projects, upload them to Etsy, and earn you some extra income. I'm all about giving, and even if it's me giving an idea to you that you may not have thought about, here you go, it's free. And now I am getting ready to take this burnt umber paint and just dry brush it over the edges of this crate. And again, this crate came from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm taking that wood die part cut out, and I am gluing it to the front of the crate. And now I'm taking some of those rocks and I'm just adding it to the inside of the crate, adding some glue to the edge of the succulent planter, and there you have it. Look at this, guys. Did this not turn out cute? And again, you do not have to do yours this way, but you can recreate this and then upload it to Etsy, sell it, and earn you some extra income. This is simple, it's cute, and I think someone will buy it, my opinion. And then here's the succulent planter. And look how cute that is. It's so adorable. And again, you do not have to use succulents. I just chose to use succulents because I am a succulent person, and I will be rolling out my JD collection, which consists of succulents and candles this year. And guys, that's all I have for you. Stay tuned for tomorrow, and I will be uploading 2 more DIYs to the channel. Until then, bye.